If your pool vacuum is not picking up debris, you're probably dealing with clogged hoses or a dirty vacuum head that's killing your cleaning game. So, first off, always check the vacuum head for gunk or algae stuck on it because that stuff can totally block the suction. Next, give your vacuum hose a once-over. If it's kinked or blocked, water flow gets messed up and nothing gets sucked up. Try running water through the hose to flush out any hidden debris. Also, make sure your pool pump basket is clean. A clogged basket can reduce suction power big time. If your vacuum has a filter bag, empty it regularly so it doesn't get overloaded. Don't forget to check the water level in your pool. Too low or too high can mess with suction. When you're setting up, connect everything tight so there's no air getting in. Air leaks kill suction fast. Finally, run your vacuum slowly over the pool floor and walls to let it grab all that dirt instead of rushing through. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their pool vacuum is not picking up debris is ignoring blockages in the hose or vacuum head. This is usually the main culprit and can be fixed by detaching and cleaning those parts thoroughly. Another issue is running the vacuum without checking the pump basket or filter bag, which clogs quickly and chokes suction. Cleaning those out regularly keeps everything flowing smoothly. Lastly, many forget to check for air leaks in their vacuum setup. If air sneaks in through loose connections, suction drops off hard. Make sure all connections are snug and sealed tight to avoid this problem. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Contractors also get a solid way to connect with people needing their skills, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.